Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps, and then if you want to search a pretty good location, just go over here on the search bar on top here and just search for a simple like you can type, let's say I'm gonna type Paris, and you can just press on it and it will show. And if you want the direction of it, just press the direction and then it will show you so let me just choose another place. Firstly, like this, I chose this one, and if I want the direction, I just press on direction like this, and then it will show the direction and you can start it from here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you use the Google map to find a location and all. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.